Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Alright, so today I wanted to share with you a recipe that I've been making lately for a super quick and easy quiche. I've got my pie pan here and a mixing bowl and a whisk, and I've also got this really yummy Stone Mill Kitchen's spinach artichoke dip. I love this brand because it is kosher, they don't use any gelatin in their dips, and they have a ton of great flavors. So all we do is we take this 10-ounce container and scoop it out into our bowl. And when we're done with that, we're going to crack our eggs. And you can just crack them right on into this bowl, but I'm going to be doing it on the side today. And if you want, you can use between 5 and 8 eggs. Today I'm going to use 6. The other day I made it with 8 and it tasted great, but it was just a little too eggy. So I thought I would do only 6 eggs today. And once we have our eggs cracked, we're going to add it to our bowl of spinach dip, and we are just going to mix this until everything is well combined. And like I said before, this recipe is super easy. I don't think it could get any easier. It's just a few eggs and some spinach dip, and you can really use any brand of spinach dip or like creamy chip dip that you like. I bet it would be great with even like a French onion dip. Alright, and now we get our pan. If you want to, you can definitely use a pre-made pie crust or a quiche type crust, but I'm just going to be buttering my pan today and adding the batter to it. Make sure to get every last drop in there. Too good to waste. Alright, it can go in the oven just like it is, or you can add some cheese on top. I have some parmesan cheese here. You could use mozzarella or cheddar, just any cheese you prefer that melts well. Alright, and now it is ready for the oven. We're going to put it in the oven at 325 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And a little pro tip, if you've got a dip in the middle at about 25 minutes, then go the extra 5 minutes till you have a nice round top. And here's what it looks like when it is all done. And we're just going to let it cool for a few minutes, and then we're going to cut it. Alright guys, there it is. Doesn't it look great? Alright, if you get a chance to make this, make sure to tag me in a photo on Instagram. I will leave my link down below. And let me know what you think in the comments down below. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe video as much as I did making it, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.